Papa. Papa, look. Look. What choke you? Eh? Boy. Look. Papa, eh? Papa. Look at me. Look on the phone. Papa, look on the phone. Look. Why not pay the phone? No mind. No, sir. Papa. Say hello. Look at me. Jesus. Max, anytime I buy a car again, I write this part side of the papa where park this so I write this I want for him car for park. Cause you don't understand how papa just park up car up in the house and God left it. You don't want to rain touch his car and the snow, so I write this so in the living room we want it. Yeah, that's early. Papa. Papa. Look, Papa. Look. Look. Hey. Why no business in me? You want to go fast? Eh? Smell good, yeah? Smell like something can eat. Papa, here. Here. Don't mash up my printer. Come here. Papa. Come. When you sit down for a walk. Big man no creep. Papa. Come. Papa. Oh, Papa. You're up to something over there. You hear ya? You hear you? Papa. Yeah, Papa, come here, Papa. Come. Come. Yeah, Papa.
Yeah, what's in the Japanese? Don't come down. Wait. Climb, climb. Yeah, climb. 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 Climb.
Climb off his socks.